we present you with the product that reinvents the concept of presentation for sellers and presenters. This is a SaaS and mobile app. It allows you to catch clients for online demos and helps e-commerce to increase its conversion rate. Are your sales down? Is your conversion rate low? Do clients not place your products in the basket? You can publish a lot of content and pay to promote on social media. You will have lots of views of your content. But how does this translate to more leads? How do you speak with the visitor to your websites and landing pages? Roi4Presenter solves this problem and some others as well. The product is a web service and mobile application for showing online presentations that are both recorded and live online. The presenter uses their smartphone as a presentation remote control and prompter. We have such a solution. You can get leads directly sent to your email or CRM from published content. Listeners can see your presentations with video and sound and call to a presenter or seller. Content authors now have the unique possibility to speak with video to their listeners or potential clients. Roi4Presenter is a web service. Forget about the button request demo or book a demo and lead forms. Do not lose clients. Start your demo right now on your website with a connected online presenter. The presenter uploads the presentation or YouTube video to the service, adds sound and script text to the slides, and specifies the pitch slides. Service generates an HTML code with web link to the recording of the presentation. You put a code on the website or landing page as a media player. The listener watches and listens to the presentation recording in the browser and can call the presenter. The presenter receives a notification and sees on their smartphone what the user is doing. The presenter can speak to the customer using their camera and manage the slides. Listeners can choose to view the short pitch and see frequently asked questions. This presentation can ask for contact information to continue showing slides and collect leads in CRM or send by email. All data about what visitors were listening to and what presentations they were watching is recorded in the system and in CRM software or email. There are also reports on the work of presenters, salespeople, and the presentations they've made. Management receives a real-time reporting on the work of their salespeople. Using the API of Roi4Presenter, you can send personalized recorded presentations via email, LinkedIn, and Messenger letters with an embedded link. The presenter receives a notification in their mobile application with the name of the clients and sees on their smartphone what the user is doing. Listeners can call the presenter or the presenter can start to speak to the customer using their camera and manage the slides. If the presenter is busy, Roi4Presenter will send all slide data and how long the visitor has been seen to the CMR or by email. Then, the presenter or automation can follow up with these leads. Roi4Presenter allows you to upload to service PowerPoint and PDF presentations, import MP4 videos or directly from YouTube. There is native integration with Salesforce and HubSpot, and with Zapier ability to support other CRM or marketing automations tools. The Chrome extension provides integration with Google Mail, Outlook, and LinkedIn, which allow you to arrange and conduct the presentation with one button. Personalized links to the presentation can be used in other CRM and email marketing automation tools. We offer a free-of-charge pilot for you. Our employees will help you to upload and customize your content, integrate with your CRM and marketing automation systems, and help train your personnel.